Musa ibn Imran said to Allah, Ya Allah, I want to know, how much does a mother love her son? Can you explain this love to me? Allah says, no. Why, Ya Allah? Because you're not a mother, you don't know. Ya Allah, give me a glance. I would like to know what that love is. So Jibreel says to Musa, Musa, go sit on top of a mountain. There's a small home, a small shack. Sit there and watch, you will see. And there, when he went, he saw the small home. And there was a young man who lived with his mother. His mother in the morning, she made him breakfast. She prepared, she woke him up, she took care of him, she looked after him. He walked out of the house to go to work, she walked him out, she kissed him. And then she said to him, son, don't be late, I'll be waiting for you for dinner. Okay. This young man forgot about his mother all by herself at home, and he went out with his friends. And he was drinking. And he got drunk. And the mother was worried, and she stood outside the home, and she was praying, Oh Allah, return my son back. I hope he's safe. I hope he's okay. And she was praying. So Musa says, Jibreel, now I know. Now I know how much a mother worries about her son and how much she has love for him. She hasn't ate. She hasn't gone back home. Jibreel says, Musa, wait. Wait. And she waits and she waits until the crack of dawn. He comes home drunk, walking, and his mother standing there. She says to him, my beloved, my son, where have you been? I was worried about you. I have not ate. And this drunk man, young man, picks up his hand and he slaps his mother. I told you don't interfere in my life. What is wrong with you? I'm a grown man. You should have ate and gone to sleep. For how long will you nag me? For how long this? For how long that? And his mother tries to explain, so he runs out of the house, barges out of the house, slams the door. His mother is running behind him. She's saying something Musa cannot hear. So Musa says, Jibreel, please tell me, is she cursing him? She's saying, oh Allah, take him, I don't want to see him. Jibreel says, no, Musa, she's saying, oh my son, you forgot to wear your shoes.